Hello, this is Dr. Mazhar Hussain from my hair clinic. If you're having a hair transplant, you may want to know when I can return back to work and resume your normal social life. Well, it really depends. As far as the recipient area concerns, if you're totally bald, redness and discoloration may last 3 to 5 weeks and even much longer. And the more fair skin you have, the more likely the redness and discoloration will last. If you have some hair in the recipient area, your own non-transplanted hair will grow back and the redness and discoloration may not even be visible after 2 weeks' time. In the donor area, if you have hair there, the donor area of the scalp or the beard, your own hair will grow in and usually within 2 weeks, hardly anything will be noticeable. If you opt to shave your beard, the redness may occur and it may be visible for a few more weeks. On the chest or belly, the redness will go away soon, but you can have more persistent hypo or hyperpigmentation. But it's not something that is really bothersome. It doesn't really cause you other symptoms, and it's usually a very mild hypo or hyperpigmentation. So this should give you an idea about when you can return to social life and work after the surgery. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.